This is the Hydra Nebulizer by Venture Capital. I needed a new nebulizer and I loved the idea of this one. I love that it was compact. I love that it was easy to use, and I love that it had 3 different attachments to use with it. So let me go ahead and show it to you. So it's this tiny little thing, the size of my hand. It comes with the child mask, with the adult mask. It comes with the nozzle. It comes with the charging cable, and it comes with two elastics to put on the mask themselves. It's really fairly easy to use. You have your power button and you have your menu button where you can select if you want the adult output, the child output, or cleaning mode. And then in the power, it will just show you how much battery it has left and all that. So let's go ahead and turn it on. And it's super quiet, it's ultra quiet. So let's go ahead. So we turn it on and we can see the battery, and we can see that it's on level 10, which is the high output, which would be the one for the adult. You can change it by lowering it to the kids output or the cleaning output. It's actually really easy to set up. I bought some saline, here it is. I bought some saline solution to use with it, or isotonic saline solution. And all you do is you go ahead and open this little clip right here and open, and then you squirt it in there, and then it's ready to use. I love the fact that it can fit in your purse. If you were to have like a stuffy nose or a cold, you can take it with you wherever you go, and you can do some treatments throughout the day or nebulizing. I am very impressed and very happy with my purchase. Here's where the USB-C port is for charging, and it does come with the measurements here of 2 mil, 6 mil, or 10 mil of whatever liquid that you put in there. And I think it's great to have it during these winter months when there's lots of colds going around. It also comes with the nozzle, which is easier, and if you're doing breathing treatments as well. And you can see the difference in the output. That's the adult output. Then it lowers to kids output, and then you have the cleaning mode. The only thing that I wish it came extra with would be maybe a carrying bag for if I'm traveling or taking it with me wherever we go.